The first time Frank Short got his hands on a Harley-Davidson, there was no turning back. He found a hobby that would become a lifestyle.
A friend of mine let me ride his motorcycle when I was 16 years old. Said if you can start it, you can ride it, and that hooked me.
After decades as an iron worker, riding was Frank's way to escape his high-pressure work.
It's an instant stress relief. I just like them. I like the older bikes.
Now 71, Frank is still young at heart, but at one point his hobby was at risk. After turning 65, arthritis pain in his ankle started to slow him down. He couldn't rest his foot comfortably on the foot pegs of his bikes.
He was having difficulty with kind of his everyday activities. Walking even short distances was painful. And he was having a lot of problems.
Frank was referred to MU Healthcare's Missouri Orthopedic Institute, where he met Dr. Kyle Schweser.
This clear part is where the plastic liner is.
They talked about his symptoms and goals, and together they decided that a total ankle replacement with an artificial joint was a better option than a fusion.
A lot of people actually don't know that an ankle replacement is a possible treatment for them and for their arthritis. An ankle replacement is a very effective treatment option for relieving their pain and helping them maintain their mobility.
Frank did his physical therapy at home in Herman. After a few weeks in a boot, he was back on his feet and back in the saddle.
Dr. Schweser, I just can't thank him enough for straightening out my ankle. Now, they just been really nice to me, and they really took care of me when I needed it.
As the weather gets nicer, Frank is looking forward to feeling the wind on his face and the rumble of the engine beneath him.
It's 100% better. I can walk without any pain. I can walk upstairs without any pain. As long as I have gas in that motorcycle, I can ride as long as I want.
To learn more about MU Healthcare's treatment options for ankle pain, visit muhealth.org/total ankle care.
For University of Missouri Healthcare, I'm Meg Judy.